Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
LOL, he's being brutally attacked and has zero idea.
Ira. Yeah.
And so for some reason, Mango likes to attack my feet when they are crossed. But when they're straight, nothing. But when I cross them, here it goes. But then when I straighten them, he's uninterested.
Oh, are you okay, Pinky? What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your
Oh no, he forgot what injury to fake.
Nagosai? Nagosai, please? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurt again. Oh, no.
She's like, hit me, baby, one more time. When the derpy one meets the fearless one, wonder who will surrender first. Give these two rising stars an Oscar right now. Chihuahua. Step up, boys. I'll take all of you on at once. I mean, Chihuahuas don't know how small they are.
Tex? Stop beating her up! Tex!
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever.
Definitely an angel gene mutation. I'm literally
I
melting.
don't think so. No, 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 no.
That's what we call teamwork.
Are y'all not hungry?
Action blockbuster, 2 kilo of meat for 2 kilo of pure aggression.
Let's go eat. Come on. Let's go eat.
I mean, puppers saving up for a Birkin. Those are just crocodile tears, don't let that appearance fool you.
พอแม่ดุเป็นไงดุก็ร้องไห้ตัวแม่ดุก็ร้องไห้ทำตาปิบๆสักพักเป็นไงดื้อเหมือนเดิมไหม
Don't fall for those tears. It's all just a masterclass in deception.
ทำไงทีเนี้ยโดนแม่ดุว่าทำไง
Franklin Luigi Chermo.
He knows he is the problem and is very proud of it.
Perdonamos a Maga. Vamos a perdonarla, que te dañó tu peluche favorito.
Human, hurry up and buy a new plushie to comfort the princess.
Más. Vale, no estés más triste. Mamá luego te compra otro peluche, ¿vale?
Infinite energy, 1% muscle, 99% pure mischief. Small in size, but this protection attitude is no joke.
No, Chihuahua.
Stay.
Leaving for Europe. Look at this dog. She knows I'm leaving her. I was so
Drama queen or pure love. Either way, it's impossible to walk away.
Bravo, ma fifi.
World's #1 bravest demand, immediate sausage rewards.
Oui. Le vaccin. Oh, oui. Voilà. C'est fini, c'est fini.
A high-stakes battle between two titans in the same weight class. The cat's taste is a bit weird, but love is blind, I guess. Tiny assassins meeting a multi-legged monster. When your size is inversely proportional to your aggression level. A 2-kilogram body with a 200-kilogram attitude taking on every big dog in the hood. Tiny body, but the soul of a mafia boss.
Get away. Get away. Get away.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to wake up. Mommy's already been to Pilates.
A ruthless tug of war for a future with a full stomach.
Biggly, biggly, wiggling. Are you biggly, biggly, wiggling?
The food-powered engine is running at full capacity.
He likes biggly, wiggling. Biggly, wiggling. You biggly, wiggling.
Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Enough! Your mom is 12 inches away from you. It's gonna be okay.
Such a huge deception. Look at that pitiful face.
Okay, stop. I gotta let you off. I gotta let you off. You're crying.
OMG, that's actually crazy smart.
Oh my God, trying to force the tears out.
How'd you sleep last night?
Dancing in the mirror.
Exactly like she feeds me, she feeds me.
Dog is broken.
Girl, lift up the phone. He almost got us too. The fluffy and long-eared version of the F1 Grand Prix.